Hi friends, welcome to the channel again. So I hope your trading day was good for today, and also whatever I have analysis given on Monday or Friday. I think when the market was rising at the time and on 19 March, I told you that you should be long, and Nifty can go over to this range, okay, up to 15,020 or something I have given, okay, 15,020. From here to here 15,020, the range was there. Always market behaves in a whatever it is, a market will behave with the range only, because the order which is pending or which is to be getting filled, it will be always in a range. So that's why the range was decided, and as per my calculation also I gave this range, that from here nifty could fall, okay. And if it is breaking above this 15,020, above this one, then this view is invalidated, okay. But by taking a stop loss over here by 15,020, if you will take a short side of this, then you will be in the profitable only, okay. So uh, so this is actually this range how I gave, it is always tested. It is not like that I gave something which will be not work out. This is always tested by whatever the range I am giving. And if you have seen my last two to three videos, 15 this one is 14,860, I have given the one range from where it falls. And this one is the gap which took the support also. And all these are like that. Market will behave in a wave, and you can take good profits. But I am bearish in this market, because I told you that if this is the ATH made, last two to three videos only I am telling, that pre-recorded video you could check once again. To the viewers who have not checked, they can check, and the viewers who have already checked, they know how I calculate also. So this is, if this is the ATH made, so if this is the ABC and this is the ABC and this is the C wave going on, okay. So actually this in the higher time frame, in the 2 week analysis, actually it is made a third wave, and this is the fourth wave which is going on. And we don't know, means fourth wave, actually what I have told you, that up to some around 23.6% to 38.2%, the correction would happen. And this is the correction which is going on, no need to worry about that. And okay. So now if this is 1, this is 2, okay, now third will be coming over here, okay. If this is 1, this is 2, and this is third, people still think that and this is the fifth wave is going on, this is the ABC correction, or like this is not something like that. So this is the C wave which is going on, and this will be complete 1 2 3 4 5, okay. So I am telling this from the very beginning. It is not like that today I am telling. It was the very beginning only I am telling. If this is the ATH made, okay, if this is the ATH made, then this pattern also I have shown you. And in the higher time frame, what I am seeing is, I am very confident that this is the correction going on, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 it will make, okay. So let's do the analysis for tomorrow. Leave it. We'll see the what is on the plate. So see, now if tomorrow is a gap down opening, or tomorrow if it is a gap down, and Nifty is going to come over here, from here it will take a support, it will not come directly to here, okay. It is not a direct, nothing is direct like this, fall will happen and it will give 1000 points to you, okay. It is never like that. So So see, so this is the ABC is made now. Again a ABC zigzag will make, and I don't know over from here it can be a flat or it can be a zigzag. Okay. Okay, let me tell you once, one more minute. So if see, if this is the ABC, and now again this is the move went, okay, and again this will come over here, then again it can go over here, and then again it can come over here, or it can go over here, it can make a flat, and it can come over here. Okay, so this is the possibility of the trade. Okay, but as per my knowledge, it will certainly, it is going to come over to 14,300 area, 14,300 to, this is the range actually, this is the range. Okay, 14,300. From here it can be a flat or it can be a, then it can be a zigzag and it can come down. So but it will be a 3 move. Okay, here also if you see it is a 3 move only. Let me tell, see here if you see this is a 3 move only. Okay, so this is a 3 move. Okay, this is ABC. So now this is zigzag. Now here also it will make a, it can make a flat and it can come, or otherwise it can make a extended flat and it can come. So eventually the target is open over here, 13,800, 13,777 or 13,800 is the target. Okay, so what target, this is the target of the, from the whatever it started from here. Okay, whatever it started from here, it will come to end over here, but it will make 3. Okay, then again it will some move will happen, and it can go over here, and then again it can make 5th move. Okay, so that we'll see, we'll see over here. This now we are not taking all these things, but tomorrow for the view for tomorrow is the range. Let me tell you, the range is now tomorrow, in my view tomorrow it will be 14,000. This is close. Okay, tomorrow if certainly it is moving up or something, it is you can take a short. Okay, you can take a short by keeping the stop loss over this indicator. You are always aware of this one, by keeping for anybody who is not knowing, this 13 days moving average high will be act as a stop loss for you. If you are taking any short position, this 13 degrees high will be stop loss for you. If you are seeing that 2 candlesticks subsequently closing the green candle, then you can go, you can take out from, you can get out of the trade. Okay, otherwise you can trail the trade, and you and this is the position where you should stop your profit. Okay, and 14,300. Okay, 14,300. So this is the area where you can stop off your trade, and from here you should go long. Okay, but before going long you should always check, otherwise you can trail it or you should go long. But otherwise what you can see is that if it is going above this 13 days moving average high, okay, if it is going above this 13 days moving average high, then 1 minute, this my pen will not come. Okay, if it is going over this, and this will be 13 days moving average high. Okay, this will be, this is like this. Okay, if you are seeing, then you can take the position. Even if it one candlestick also, you can take the position. Why? Because it has taken the support over here. Okay, it has taken the support over here. This is the support area. Okay, from where it will go back to the wave will go back, and then again it will start falling. Okay, so before so this can be a flat or this can be a zigzag. Now I cannot decide now, but after that what will trail the long position. Okay, will trail the long position. So so at least for here it will come. Okay, 14,300. So now I will show you one thing. I saw the data also. So this is the FIS data. So I always used to track the data also. It is not like that I give you the position like that. sometimes data. So today data, if you see you can get all this data from the NSE sites, okay, where you can download the data. You can go to NSE websites. I'll show you NSE website. Okay, NSE website. This is not a rocket science or something. You can get this data. 1 minute. Let the site comes, then okay. So now you can go to archive monthly, or okay, sorry, whether you can archive monthly, you can go to participants wise open interest, this one. You can download the data, okay, but this one will give you the historical data. But if you want to daily reports you want to get, then you can go to participant wise data. Here you can daily, you can download this data, and from there you can take the FIS data and pros data. Client data, you leave it. Client, whatever they do, we don't bother, because client is who? Client is the retailer like me and you and all the peoples, individual people. So now see, now this FIS data I have taken this one, and this future index long. Okay, long, if you see FIs are now they are not long, they have squared up their positions. Okay, they have squared up their all their positions. Now future index short also, if you see, they have taken the index, in the index they have taken the short, means in index future they are bearish. Okay, then in the stock long, future stock long and stock short, you see future index stocks long also they have squared up their position. These are the open interest data. Okay, open interest data. And future stocks short also they have sometime something squared up, but overall the position, if you see, they are bearish. Option index call, they have taken some amount of call for, I think, for hedging. Okay, and option index put long, if you see, they are long in the put. Okay, the long in the put. And option index call short, call they have also sorted. Okay, 20,865 contracts, there are in lakhs under 18,18106. So mostly they are hedged here. Call they are already sorted, and put they have long. Okay, and if you see option index put short also, put short they have squared up. It means that they are not, if put short is there, means that is a support. Okay, that will act as a support, and in the put they already have squared up. Okay, short, whatever the short is there, they already have squared up, and they have added more longs, and they are adding the longs. If you see, they are adding the longs from much before. So that means that they are knowing that Nifty is going to fall, so that's why they are in the index, they already are in the this one long position. Means in the put side, downside they are in the long option put, they have bought it and they are in the long position, and limited to option, limited to upside actually. So this is the data actually which is showing that index is bearish. Okay, they are bearish on the index. So that's why in the chart also, if you can see, even before, much before the data, I can visualize the chart also that it was going to be down. Okay, much before, from here only I was visualized that it is going to be down. Okay, but what index data will show you, data will give you some intraday trade, means index is going to down or something. But tomorrow what they will do, tomorrow there is going to if the market is going to come down, they will get some bullishness over here, and tomorrow from here they will go up. Okay, because they will get all the profit, and they will make you bearish. Okay, they will make you bearish, and they will become long, and they will go again, and then they will again fall by making you that they are bullish, and by making it you bearish. So that is how they used to play. And tomorrow this range, I have given you this support area 14,300, from where we can see the supports. Okay, this is the region, from where we can go long. Okay, definitely the long will be from here, and if it is not long, you can trail your stop loss, and if you can go, you can square up for your position. Once you can see that you can see if the candlestick is closing above 13 days moving average high. Okay, so that's all guys. So please subscribe to the channel, please like the videos if you are liking, otherwise leave it. Happy trading day for tomorrow.